Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. For today, we will be discussing how to use eJoin in our IMG portal. Step 1 is to log into your IMG portal. Of course, dapat alam na natin na sa https yan, /img-corp.net. And then when you visit the site, of course, you need to input your user ID, and that is your user name, which is your member code. In my case, that is 119411PH. Of course, kailangan po yung code nyo mismo. And then the password that was sent to you by email. Okay? And then after that, you will be directed to our beautiful IMG portal. Ayan na po yung itsura ng ating homepage. And of course, down below our homepage, meron tayong iba't ibang areas like our My Dashboard. Diyan nyo makikita lahat ng ating mga benefits and other free gifts. And then go to My Tools. After that, you need to click eJoin. But you have to remember na meron pa tayong mga iba't ibang electronic applications like e-app, which is also included in our channel. May video tayo on how to use the e-app. That is for your Kaiser and other insurance. Okay, and then our eJoin for today, that is for joining a new member. Ang ating IMG kiosk too, of course, for paying indirectly all other transactions. Okay, so let's start step 3. Input your sponsor's code. Okay, kapag nakapunta na kayo sa e-app, you have to encode the agent code of your sponsor. So you need to know kung ano talaga ang kanilang member code, and then click submit. And then you need to select the country where you're at. So, po pwedeng nasa Japan ka, but or other countries, but in our case, let's hit or click the 5,500 one-time joining fee for Philippine local members. That is step 4. And then step 5 is to fill out the online form, this online membership form, very carefully. So, kailangan po, huwag tayong magkamali. And then, kung ano po yung mga naka-asterisk, those are the required fields. Okay? So, in this case, I use the information of my husband. Okay? All right? And then the forwarding address is also in Batangas. Just make sure every information are correctly inputted or entered. Okay? And then the birth date. Okay? The personal info, gender, birth date, civil status, and the spouse name and code. That is if your spouse is already an IMG member. Okay, nakalagay dito, put IMG 100 if you do not know your sponsor's code. Okay? And then, of course, the nationality, and then the employer, and the educational attainment. And then after that, current address info. So, sa mga international members, kailangan din nila mag-input ng kanilang current address. So, in this case, Philippines. And of course, kung international member ka, kailangan yung Philippine address mo na naka-input dyan. And then this is for the purpose of illustration. So, makikita natin dito, tinatanong din tayo if you are an IMG member before. So po pwede po yun na inactive IMG member kayo. Let's say long time ago, tapos wala namang masyadong naging transaction, or hindi ka nakapagbigay ng iyong investment, and you wanted to start anew here in IMG with different sponsor or whatever it is na gusto mong simulan uli. Okay, so just hit yes, and then if you can still remember your old IMG agent code, you have to input that. And then you also need to answer if you are an agent of life insurance company, an agent of non-life insurance and healthcare, or HMO company. So in my case, in my husband's case, no po lahat yan. Okay, so fresh na fresh. Okay, and then you will also see down below the member signature, but you need to have the acknowledgement of prospective associate. So you need to read this carefully also, and then of course assign. And then in this page, I tick this checkbox. Okay, chinek ko po yan to subscribe to site newsletter. and then hit continue lang. Okay? After that, you will be directed to this page wherein you need to select your desired payment option. In our video, um, we will be selecting online bank transfer. Or pwede rin naman katulad din po siya ng bank deposit. Okay? So online bank transfer for of course gagamit tayo ng online banking, and then bank deposit if you manually deposited your payment to your desired bank. Okay? So step 6 is to fill out the necessary info in this page. Okay, you need to check na 5,500 yung inyong babayaran initially. Okay, and then you need to tick also this option button if it's bank deposit or remittance, and don't forget to fill out all the required fields. Okay, and then after that, kung okay na, next step button tayo. You will be forwarded to this page wherein you need to select your desired bank from the list. So, ayan yung drop-down list natin. Ito po yung mga nakalista natin or yung mga account, bank accounts, sorry, ng IMG. Okay. So, for the purpose, again, of illustration, we will be selecting BDO. Okay? Ayan. So, if you need a reference number, especially if it's an online banking, dyan lang po matatagpuan ang ating reference number. This is now step 8 on uploading your proof of payment. So, you just need to click this hyperlink. Click here to send us the proof of payment for verification. If you click that, you will be forwarded to this page wherein you need to input the necessary info from your proof of payment. Just be careful kung ano po ang nasa inyong proof of payment. You just need to input or enter all of those information needed here in this page. So the date, of course, and then the 24-hour format time. Okay, and then also check if all the other infos are correct. Okay? So, ayan. Meron tayong select file dito. Diyan nyo i-upload yung inyong picture. You just need to make sure na naka-save ang inyong proof of payment. And then after that, makikita nyo ngayon sa image, okay, na naka-display na siya. And then click the submit button to upload. Okay? Ayan po yung mga samples natin ng acceptable deposit slips and bank transfers. Just make sure na malinaw po yung kopya kapag in-upload natin. Okay, screenshot naman po ito ng online banking. Check the bank date, time, and the account number, of course, the amount. When you try to upload all of this deposit slips and other proof of payments. Okay, so ayan, after that, that's the final page wherein you will see that there's a notification that your payment is under verification. So take note, it will take a few banking days to confirm your payment. You will also receive an email once the verification is done. Okay, that's always like that kapag may iba ring transaction tayo sa IMG. And that's how easy it is to become a member. Okay, so ayan po. That is how to use eJoin in our IMG portal. Okay, para po sa iba pang mga videos na may upload natin, don't forget to subscribe on our channel, Connie Osorio. Again, good evening po, and God bless us all.